By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of 30 push-ups a day for 1 month challenge, before and after. Have you ever wondered what doing 30 push-ups a day for a month could do for your body? Today, we're diving into the results of a real-life challenge to see the transformation firsthand. We'll start by showing you the before and after photos of someone who took on this challenge. Prepare to be amazed by the visible changes in just 30 days. Next, we'll break down the benefits of daily push-ups and how they impact your upper body strength, core stability, and overall fitness level. Clear visual demonstrations will guide you through the proper form to maximize results and minimize injury risk. Throughout the video, we'll share the personal journey of our challenger, highlighting their struggles, successes, and the surprising lessons learned along the way. It's a story of dedication and transformation that will inspire you to take on your own fitness challenges. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. In summary, doing 30 push-ups a day can lead to noticeable improvements in strength and muscle tone, as demonstrated by our challenger's impressive results. Ready to take the challenge? Start today and track your progress to see what 30 days of dedication can achieve. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamized ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic.